Now I want to explain. Allah announced. Allah announced. Allah announced resurgent the Prophet. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam can kill for accepting the Prophet. We must require to clean part believe the Prophet Muhammad with other part. Not so that. And clean part believe the Prophet Muhammad with other part. Example, we going to formerly Baitul Maqdis and now move to Kaaba. And we must understand that miracle of the Prophet Muhammad, a lot faith. But we love are his word Allah. Example, the Holy Quran. His weakened human. Never there is a human can to make the Holy Quran. And we must confess that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam can give for accept believe the Prophet. And we must confess that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam even Isra Miraj from Masjidil Haram to Masjidil Aqsa and to sky. He speak with Allah with Maqam Hawadis. And then we must confess that Aisha, wife Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, howling because someone accused she make immoral. The best of period Tira is in the period friend Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After that Tabi'in, and after Tabi'in, Tabi'in. كفيت هنا كلامي وإن وجدتم مني الأخطاء أتمنى أن تعفوا عني وأستغفر كثيرا منكم جميعا. السلام عليكم.
Before I salam, English, enough is my stand.